Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, August 22nd, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across auto, banking and financials, energy and power, FMCG, IT and technology, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in auto. Maruti Suzuki dropped sharply -1.77% to 13,565 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Dow Jones futures fall as oil prices, Bitcoin jump, Walmart skids on earnings, Investors Business Daily. After today's weakness, the 13,158 Indian rupees area is the first meaningful support level to watch for Maruti Suzuki. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Moving to banking and financials. Kotak Mahindra Bank edged higher plus 1.37% to 402.80 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that RBI's hawkish minutes rattle bonds, put rate hikes in play. The near-term technical picture for Kotak Mahindra Bank looks constructive. Watch the 418.91 Indian rupees level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Moving to energy and power. ONGC dipped -0.88% to 236.40 Indian rupees. The move follows reports that Dow Jones futures fall as oil prices, Bitcoin jump, Walmart skids on earnings, Investors Business Daily. ONGC is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the 241.13 Indian rupees resistance and 231.67 Indian rupees support as the boundaries of the current range. Moving to FMCG. ITC is trading lower by -0.83% at 269.40 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Dow Jones futures fall as oil prices, Bitcoin jump, Walmart skids on earnings, Investors Business Daily. With ITC moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The 276.13 Indian rupees level above and 262.66 Indian rupees below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Moving to IT and technology. Infosys dipped -0.80% to 1,121 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that stock market today, Dow gains 500 points, SpaceX snaps a losing streak, Bitcoin pops, Investors Business Daily. The Cobalt AI deal pipeline is growing, but revenue conversion takes 6 to 12 months. Near-term earnings momentum depends on existing account mining. Watch for any guidance revision commentary ahead of the quarterly earnings. The whisper is that the management has become more conservative than warranted. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 95.71, which matters for import and export-heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Independent market coverage, no subscription fees, no paywalls. If this analysis saved you time and helped you think more clearly about the market, please like the video. It costs you nothing and it directly funds more content like this. Subscribe for daily coverage across indices, stocks, commodities, forex, and crypto. Tell us in the comments, what are you watching most closely right now? Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.